Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete Chrome Incognito mode history. While Incognito mode is designed for private browsing, it's important to understand what it actually does and doesn't save. We'll cover how your local browsing data is handled and discuss what information might still be accessible elsewhere. This guide will help you ensure your online activities remain as private as you intend them to be, giving you peace of mind. When you use Incognito mode, Chrome doesn't record the websites you visit in your local history. It also automatically clears any new cookies or temporary site data once you close all Incognito windows. This means your local browsing session is largely untraceable on your device. However, remember that any files you download or bookmarks you create while in Incognito mode will still be saved to your computer. Even though Incognito mode doesn't save history, you might want to clear your regular browsing data for added privacy. To do this, open Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From there, select More Tools, then click Clear Browsing Data. You'll see options to choose a time range and specific data types, like browsing history or cached images, to delete. To fully ensure your Incognito session data is cleared, always close all Incognito windows completely after you're done browsing. For broader privacy, you might also want to review your Google Activity Controls, which can store data from your signed-in sessions. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Taking these steps helps maintain your digital privacy effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.